fair amount of buyers right there at the top of the zone. There's probably a lot of buyers because one, we're in this zone, top of this zone, two, and then top of this zone, right? And then two, Wednesday's low is right here. But we need more buyers than that, my boy. Or sellers, whichever way. Whichever way works. Just show us the way. We did get a hammer candle here, and then we saw volume immediately pick up. Or not volume, but the speed. We saw the speed of this candle immediately pick up here once we got this hammer candle here. And if you look here, volume's a little bit higher here than it was here, and here I think it's higher than it was here.
All right, I just wanted to jump in and say real quickly, I was starting to notice a couple like confluences. One being the hammer candle on SPX, as well as the volume increase on SPY. Now I noticed these, and I did have an idea of where I wanted to enter already. I wanted to enter above Wednesday's close if price was going to get above there. I figured if price were to get above there again, we'd see volume pick up, and as you'll see shortly, that's exactly what happened. Only thing that happened that was kind of bad on my part was when we did see the volume pick up and we got above Wednesday's close, the speed absolutely just took off in the same direction we wanted it to go, and I was not able to get filled when I wanted to get filled. I went to go ahead and buy my position with the confluences I started noticing, but because of the speed of how the candle took off, or how the buyers started entering the market, because of the speed, price just shot past where I was trying to buy at. And I did end up chasing this position a little bit. However, it still ended up paying off. But ultimately, you don't want to be chasing positions, and you would like to see the pullback. This one only worked out in my favor because I saw that price was holding the high of the candle, and we weren't getting a bunch of sellers once it took off. So that's one thing I was looking at when I did chase this one. So yeah, I'm gonna leave you guys to watch the rest of this.
There we go. That's the volume we want to see. We're going to take calls. So we're going to come over here. It's holding. Take calls. It left us. Oh, it left us. And I don't have an orders thing. I just realized that. I don't have an order screen. Damn, that shit did leave us. Fuck. It hasn't completely left us yet. Did we take the re-entry? We're gonna wait for it to pull back. Oh, I do have orders. It wasn't filled and stopped working. Ah, fuck. I'm gonna wait a moment. Yeah, I seen that one coming. Not even gonna lie to you. Seen it coming. I don't have crosshairs here. Wait for it to pull back some. If it does. As soon as I realized the volume was higher on that hammer candle, yeah, try to get in. Positions, close position, close in order entry. As soon as I saw volume pick up on that hammer candle, I kind of figured this was going to happen. I may end up taking a loss here because of how I entered. Damn, I didn't get my entry. That's what sucks. Fuck. Fuck. But we're looking for some follow through. we are holding, decently up here, so I'm not too worried right now. As long as price is able to hold these, as long as price can hold up here, I'm not worried. We'll come over here so you guys can watch the 2 minute. This is what I'm saying. As long as price can hold, this momentum, we're not worried. Probably close right here at Wednesday's open. Right now, price is just checking up, so we'll see. We just broke past the 200 moving average on SPY, so we'll see. Should be a decent amount of buyers coming in. The moment this, tells us fuck no, then we'll get the fuck out. But it still hasn't told us fuck no yet, so. Approaching Wednesday's open. Stalling a little bit.
We're a little bit off, but fuck it, I'm gonna take it. Nice little trade there. Nice little trade there. Oh, I didn't even realize I didn't even turn the P&L off today. Anyway, $26.88, $27 trade right there. I didn't even realize that. Didn't turn the P&L off. Hey, we kept the P&L on today. Anyway, up 9.2% on the portfolio. We were just a little. We'll come back over here real quick. We were just a little bit off of Wednesday's open, and all the time, especially on Twitter, I see it happen, or see people talking about it all the time. All the time, you're just like, just a couple points off your price target. You don't lock in those profits, and the position ends up going red on you. We're just, what is this? So Wednesday's open. It's at 436.17 right here. We're at 436, 15 cent off. Who the fuck cares? We're up damn near $30 already, and that just fucking secure it. You feel me? Who cares about that last little bit I missed? I don't care. Anyway, here we go. 3-day green streak, up 9.2% on the day. Our portfolio is back above $300. Once again, we are back on the climb up. We are out of that little fucking slump. What I gotta do, and what I gotta remind myself to do, is go ahead and journal down my notes and have them written, like hard written, so that way I don't forget them. Especially while I'm, starting to hit winning trades again. What I don't want to do is get ahead of myself like I did beforehand and end up doing something similar to what I did here. We want to keep, rising. You don't want to fucking go back. Hate going back. We're now down $80, 80.48 on SPY. Within the last month, we're up 5.30. 3 months down $33. $80. We can come back from that for sure. And let's see. Look at that. Almost $30 trade right there. Let's take a look at our trading record so I can tell you guys the time of that trade. We entered the trade at 9:12, almost 9:13, basically, right? Almost 9:13. We almost left out at 9:16. But look at that. That's a 3 minute, 2 second trade. 3 minutes and 2 seconds. I made $27. 3 minutes. I made $27. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow, retweet for more. I believe that's it. I believe I've said everything I need to say. We'll come back over here and look at this one more time. Of course, it's probably going to keep going up, But that's just hindsight, you know what I'm saying? Like, it could, it couldn't. What did we do? We locked in our profits, you know what I'm saying? We're growing the account, so we got to take what we can get. We got ourselves a little trade there, even though we did end up chasing. Imagine if we would have got in when we wanted to get in. Now that would have been like a $40 trade. Anyway, hindsight, shoulda, coulda, woulda, but we didn't. And at this point, I'm just rambling on. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow, retweet for more. I already said that. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.